how to buy PEPE'S FROGBAR. This token, it came under this symbol FRGB. So before going and buy this token, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, they have a big community there. Just go and check this account and engage with that community there. So this token is available on the screen, as you can see. And if you don't have an account, just go and create one. So this token came under this Solana network. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to copy the token address from here and open your wallet. For this, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now, after that, what you need to do is just switch the network here to Solana network. Now, after that, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. And after that, you can see this is our token. Just click on this plus icon to be able to add it to your wallet. Now, after that, go to your wallet and find this token. As you can see, this is it. Now, click on it. Now, click on swap. And after that, click on switch here and select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now, after that, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now, after that, it's simple. Just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the PEPE'S FROGBAR token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.